Ever wonder what kind of oil you should be using? Let's take a look at the different types of oil out there. You have high mileage oil, which is pretty self-explanatory. If your vehicle has over 75,000 miles, you should use a high mileage oil type. Now the question is, conventional or synthetic? For most everyday drivers, conventional oil will do the trick. It's made to handle most engine wear from everyday driving. So if you're just driving a normal amount, don't worry about spending extra money on the expensive oil. Synthetic oil is a higher grade motor oil. It's made for more demanding travel that's full of constant stop and go traffic or more extreme temperatures. This is the best oil that you can buy, but it's also the most expensive oil. Now every car comes with a manual, and you should always check your manual for the manufacturer's recommended oil type.